When I grow up, I want to be JuzAKid. Today I'm going to show you how I make toast. You will need bread, cheese, a plate, and a toaster. First, we need to wash our hands. Make sure you use soap. Dry your hands with a towel. Put one slice of bread and a slice of cheese. Put the cheese on bread and stack them up. It's time to put in the toaster. Set the timer for 5 minutes. Not too long or it will be burnt. Wait patiently. It's ready! Be careful, the toast is really hot. Mommy! Ask your parents to help you. Ta-da! You made toast! Oh, and one more thing. If you're doing it yourself, wear your mittens. And be extra careful. Have fun making your toast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.